Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup subscriptions data with Recharge Export Tools, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your subscription data with Recharge Export Tools, start by logging into your Recharge admin dashboard. Navigate to the Reports section located in the sidebar. In the Reports section, locate the Exports tab. Click on the Exports tab to access the available options. Select the type of data you wish to export, such as subscriptions, customers, or orders. Choose the format for your export file. Common options include CSV or Excel. Set any date filters necessary to narrow down your data selection. Once you have applied your filters, click on the Export button. Your export request will process, and you will receive a notification once it's ready. Check the notifications in your dashboard for a download link. Click the link to download your export file to your computer. Save the file in a secure location for easy access in the future. Open the downloaded file to review your subscription data. Make sure to verify that all data has been exported correctly. If needed, repeat the process to export additional data or adjust your filters. Regularly backing up your subscription data ensures that you maintain accurate records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.